So one of the coolest things about SolidWorks 2010 by far is SustainabilityXpress. Because listen, when it comes to the Earth's environment, we all have great intentions. But trying to gauge the environmental impact of a design is difficult and complex. This tool is the first of its kind. It's the first for the industry, and it's easy to use. Take a look. First thing you'll notice, it's an easy to use interface. It just prompts you for information you already know about the part. Material, manufacturing process, the region in which it will be created, and ultimately where the product is going to be used. Then SustainabilityXpress kicks into action. It queries an extensive database and calculates the design's environmental impact. It looks at 4 key areas: carbon emissions, energy consumed, and air and water contaminants. Graphical charts appear. They enable a user to see how each design parameter influences the area of impact. Now, for the first time, designers had the right information to begin making meaningful changes. For example, here we may want to switch from a sheet metal design to an injection molded plastic design. Within a few seconds, SustainabilityXpress recalculates the environmental impact and will compare the 2 product variations. If one plastic is not the right choice, no worries. SustainabilityXpress offers a fine similar material selection tool. You just simply need to specify important material properties, and the Find Similar tool set returns a list of potential alternatives. You can select a few materials and look at their environmental impact right here within the interface. You can see the graphs dynamically recalculate to show which choices produce the desired results. Once we have an alternative design, SustainabilityXpress will then generate a vivid report of the life cycle assessment. Charts explain the 4 categories of the environmental impact, and graphs easily describe the differences between the 2 designs. The information can now be communicated throughout our entire company, and better decisions can be made. So you can see, SolidWorks SustainabilityXpress, it easily provides designers with information they can use to make a meaningful impact on the world. It's the first tool of its kind, and it's in SolidWorks 2010.